John, get used to being back there, because that's the view you're going to get at the track. What's going on, YouTube? Decided to pick a day at the track, and I picked a day that's about 96 degrees out. Air DA is about 9,200. Hopefully it's going down a little bit, but here we are. We got Beth right there. There's our Charger right there. It's one of my subscribers right here. Sorry I didn't catch your name, dude, but I love the car. I love those Hellcat wheels on this Charger. But anyways, hopefully we have a good day at the track. Let's cross your fingers. Let's not break anything today. Stay tuned. I was getting ready to get teched in. I already wiped it all off, but I had a bunch of oil. Pulled it up right here, right in front of the Procharger. Procharger itself looks all right, but way down there, you can see some oil that's puddled up down at the bottom of that skid pan. You can't see it too well on that one, but where the sun's shining, you can see it right there. And then it was actually out through the front of the grill right here. Happens to be right where the blow-off valve is. So as far as I can tell, there's oil coming out of the blow-off valve. And I'm not going to be running this right now, but I got a hold of Reigns Precision Motorsports, and they're supposed to be sending somebody out to take a look at this. Reigns Precision Motorsports sent a guy out in a heartbeat. He told me he'd be here in 15 minutes. I think he was here in like 10 minutes. He's here checking out the car. Turns out everything should be all right. Little issue when we did the oil change. I guess this hose right here, if you pour the oil in and don't let it settle down, it'll actually back up in this tube and dump right into the intake there. And basically the Procharger sucks it in, goes through, and when the blow-off valve opens up, everything gets sprayed out all over the car. But for the most part, everything's fine, so no real issues or anything like that. So we're just cleaning up, we'll get teched in, and we'll start doing some racing. So thumbs up to Reigns Precision Motorsports. They back all of their work, and they will do whatever they need to take care of you. We're all teched in, everything's good. John.
Hey, how's it going?
You called me out about a year and a half ago.
I guess we're finally gonna have to do it, huh?
We're gonna finally get this done.
Here we go.
All right. Alrighty, air DA of about 9,100. Traction control's off, so I'm locked all-wheel drive. They got new lights here for the tree. So this is the race against Cahill. He's got his drag radials, and this was a call out from about a year and a half ago. And I staged early. That's bad juju. .06 for the reaction time. There we go. First run of the night down. Remember, air DA of 9,100. Last time I was here with a DA of mid 6,000s, I ran a 6.7. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yuck, 13.3. Woo, 13.3. That's nasty. That is nasty. But Cahill ran a 13.6. Race 2 of the night against Beth. All right, Beth, let's go. .7060, that's terrible. The air DA today is just horrendous. .92 degrees out. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yuck, another 13.3. Oh man. It's a lot of wear and tear on the car for such terrible numbers, so I think I may be done after that one. Maybe if I stay later, get one more run in, but honestly, I'm a half second slower than my old times up here at Bannermere at a 6,000 DA, so. Alrighty. Last run of the night. Terrible launch on that one. 5.3 seconds. Car just wasn't grabbing. The torque converter wasn't grabbing to go. It's weird.